there are some 7 billion people worldwide, which means there's approximately 67 trees per person, and they all need protection in order for them to grow properly. And Bill, you've got something really exciting over here that I stumbled across. I gotta tell you, if my socks weren't tied to my feet, they'd be flying off right now. What do we have here?
Well, these are called tree pans, and you find them at treepans.com, and it's a new product we put together, and it's to kind of replace that mulch and that plastic sheeting and to drive all the moisture into the root system.
Okay, so let's talk about what are the benefits of using something like this.
Well, kind of working our way in, it's designed with rodent edging on the outside.
Okay.
And what that does, it fits down on the ground, does two things. It prevents those rodents from crawling in and digging in and eating those root system. And it also keeps it, if you place around a tree on a side hill, that water runoff doesn't happen because it holds the moisture in.
Yeah, and I can see if you had a soil berm, that soil berm will just break.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not going to break, it's there.
Yeah, it's down into the ground.
Okay.
On the outside we have a bevel edge that we've kind of got from a lot of landscapers that like that, because you can mow and weed eat around it and protect that, and then so you don't have that 16-year-old with a zero-turn mower tearing the bark off the side of the tree.
So you're taking all the fun off of decapitating a tree.
Yeah, that's right. Working our way in, we have a fertilizer trough for water. This is designed about 18 inches from the base of the tree, which they tell us in the industry is the best place to water and fertilize a tree, is 18 inches.
Where the feeder roots start, absolutely.
You betcha. We also have put in some stake holes. Some people like to stake the trees in, and so they don't blow and around. And so we put stake holes in for people like that. So, and then we move in probably the most important thing about the tree pan is it's expandable. It's the only product that we know that actually expands with the growth of the tree.
And that's what these are right here.
Yep. The doors slide in and out, wow. So it goes all the way down to an inch tree. So you can put a little sapling in there and then just expand out up to a foot diameter in the base of the tree.
Now, is the tree just actually going to automatically just push it out, or do you have to kind of help it?
Well, it depends on. You don't want to put them too tight because some trees will grow around the pans, but you'll watch that. But they're made kind of so they don't slide out too easy because you don't want that blowing around in the wind.
And we're not going to get any weeds growing through this thing.
No, that replace all that plastic and mulch, and so we've had trees that are actually our test plots that are out. You take them off a year later and it looks like it's just freshly toiled.
And where do we get this now?
We're at treepans.com or your local retailer.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations. This is really exciting.
You bet. Thank you very much.
Oh, and I really like the rodent control.
Yeah.
Thing.